Hey guys, I'm here at Neemrana Fort, which is just about 130 kilometers from New Delhi. You need to come to New Delhi, Gurgaon, and then to Rajasthan, Neemrana. You can see there. I just want to show you just a quick view. Beautiful, and how the Maharajas of those days and years before can build such an amazing fort. All right, just a quick view. All right, and you can stay here. You can live, spend some time, and that's the city. You can see the entire thing there. Okay, I hope you've got a view of Neemrana. All right, and that's a swimming pool. Cool. You can see there. You need to stay here, man. Please take care. Okay, bye. Let's go. Okay.